What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BBIG ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this ticker. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for the probable price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, at the price point of 7.6, and as you can see, we are exactly at the same spot, but we had this price action. And I've told you that it is very risky to enter your position right here, because even if we might have one more leg to the upside, it shouldn't be so massive. And as you can see, I put the top of the third wave for right here, almost at the point where we land the top of entire movement. And by the time my video was published, the price already hit the $10 price point. And at that point, it was even more riskier to enter your position. And as you can see, we have this massive decline in price for more than 35%. So I will show you my technical analysis in a minute, but let's continue with some fundamentals of this company. So let's start with the definition and what it is all about. Vinco Ventures leverages the new market opportunity by utilizing their B.I.G strategy, buy, innovate, grow. And I have to say that they have two recent main catalysts that might be the driver of their price. And first of it is the acquisition of Lomotive company, and second one is their NFT activity. But in my opinion, these two factors cannot drastically affect the price of the stock in this massive volume and in this massive price action. So, and let's continue with their official numbers. And for now, its total market cap is $323.11 million. They have a revenue of 13.91 with a negative net income of $250.94 million. So, as I already mentioned in my previous video, this company is not so good from the financial standpoint. And on top of that, let me show you that right here on Seeking Alpha, we have this article. It was published on August the 30th, and it's titled "Monster Rally for Vinco Ventures as the Movie Pass Memories Fade." And let me quote you these bullets. Vinco Ventures is up 62.45% in pre-market trading to follow on Friday's more than 80% pop. This stock is one of the most discussed names on Stock Tweets and Reddit Wall Street Bets. BBIG is also on Fintel's short squeeze list. BBIG is the second on this week's list with a short interest percent float of 27.2%. and a borrow fee rate of 62.02%. The share price of BBIG jumped 80.9% on Friday as meme stock traders piled in. Like SPRT, BBIG is also on the Reg Show threshold list, suggesting potential naked shorting activity. Subtracting short shares from the float shows that there are just 31.24 million non-shorted shares in the market. Even with the monster rally, BBIG is below its 52-week high of $9.4. And the last one. Seeking Alpha author Pale Horse Trading says BBIG is a high-risk investment without any clarity around the business and some potential question marks with the Ted Farnworth involved. The exec led Movie Pass through its incredible share price run higher and then notably back down again as the business model collapsed. So Ted Farnworth is one of the red flags related to this company if you want to invest right here for the long term. The second one is their weak financials, because they have negative net income, huge negative net income, and for this type of company it's not so good basically. And the next red flag is right here. We are on kiverkant.com and we have the BBIG ticker among the list of most mentioned tickers. But let me show you that the real number of mentions is not so big. It is only 76, right here you can see it, compared to more than 257 for the second one. It is a root, and more than 620 for SPI ticker. So BBIG doesn't have a lot of mentions. That's why the possibility of next movement to the upside is fading down, and that's why you have to be extremely cautious. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, if my Elliott wave breakdown is correct and this is the top of our third wave, we are in the retracement mode to land the bottom of our fourth wave. And for now we have this as our lowest point. And for now we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this point to this one, to this very top. And what do we have here? We've almost hit the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and it is quite healthy, and this stock definitely has a possibility to break the all-time high. But let's do some measurements in order to project some targets. To do so, I pull the Fibonacci extension tool for now from this very bottom, from the bottom of the third wave. Let me show you to this top and to the bottom of the retracement. And what do we have here? We have definitely the previous all-time high as our major resistance, and it is at around $10 price point. Next one, the most probable extension in the fifth wave compared to third one is 0.786, and this is the probable price target. But this price target will be in play only if we will see a continuation of supporting activity from Wall Street Bets community. Otherwise, we might see lower price action and we might go lower. So, what should you do if you want to try to catch this trade? First of all, do not put the money in this trade that you are not willing to lose. It is the most important rule, because this huge volatility implies huge risks with this type of trades. Second one, if you want to add your position, just enter your position on red candles. Never add your position on green candles, because in this case you might be screwed up, because the trend might have a reversal, and in this point you will have huge losses. So if we will go a little bit lower and if this pivot holds, we might see this price action and this price target. But in my opinion, nobody knows what will be the highest price point, and that's why if you enter a position in between $7.63 mark and $6.48, in my opinion, you have to rely only on this previous all-time high, and from our current price to this top, you might have about 31% of potential profits. Not so huge profits, but nevertheless, it is still a good possibility to make this type of trading like a gambling. So, and from the technical standpoint, I think that's it for now. Just be extremely cautious and take a look on Wall Street Bets activity. So, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!